चेन्नईन एफसी आड मॅच ड्रॉ झाली म्हणून काय हरकत ना म्हणून कोच सर्जिओ लोबेरा म्हणटा। चेन्नईन एफसी सारकेल्या सांघिक टिमीक आडोन आमच्या प्लेयरांनी बरें काम केलां। आता चेन्नईत एफसी गोवाक जिखपाची संद आसा म्हणून लोबेरा उलयलो। चेन्नईन एफसीचो कोच जॉन ग्रेगरीन एफसी गोवाचो गोलकीपर कट्टिमिणीची तुस्त केली। आमी 3-0 तरी जिखतले आशिल्ले, कट्टिमिणीन आडायले म्हणून ग्रेगरी उलयलो।
Coach, 1-1 result in the first leg. How do you see that, and overall your thoughts on the performance?
Bueno, el resultado yo creo que está todo por decidir.
I think the result is yet to be decided.
Creo que la eliminatoria está abierta al 100%.
I think the elimination between both teams is still completely open.
Creo que nosotros, para pasar, teníamos que tener claro que allí tenemos que marcar.
What we have clear is that for us to go through, we need to score there.
Es difícil hoy conseguir un resultado holgado contra un equipo como Chennai, un equipo fuerte, un equipo defensivamente muy bien trabajado.
Today, it was a little difficult to get a result against a team that is as well organized, as well defensively strong, and as they were today against Chennai.
Por lo tanto, el hecho de tener que marcar allí no creo que sea un obstáculo para intentar conseguir y poder pasar a la final.
But having said that, for us it's not such an obstacle as such to go there and try and score a goal, because that's what we need to make it to the final.
El rendimiento del equipo yo creo que ha habido fases diferentes.
I think with regards to the performance of the team, there was different phases.
Creo que ya ha habido mucha distancia entre líneas.
I thought there was a lot of space between the lines.
Hemos tenido la posesión muy lejos de la portería adversaria.
We had possession, but it was very far away from the opposition's goal.
Y llegábamos con muy poca gente arriba.
And when we were attacking, we weren't having lots of numbers up there when we were close to their goal.
Entonces eso ha hecho que nos partiéramos un poco y físicamente nos costara mucho más.
So what this resulted in was that the team was a little bit more divided, and physically it cost us a little bit as well.
When I look at the opportunities we had to score, we could have been going back with a 3-0 advantage, to be fair. We had clear opportunities one-on-one with the goalkeeper, and Katiman, to be fair to him, he did exceptionally well, made some very good saves, and I think his team should thank him very much for the saves that he made, because it certainly kept the tie alive. I mean, he kept a clean sheet right up until the end when we managed to get a goal, but up until then he performed very well, and we were disappointed in many respects. I've had to talk to a couple of my players just to try and get their chins off their chests, because they were disappointed with the chances that we had, and we didn't take them.
बाळ्ळीचे शांतादुर्गा बाळ्ळीकान्नीचे गडे फामाद। फाटली 500 वर्सां मायज जाली ही गडे उतरवपाची परंपरा चलता म्हूण थळावे सांगतात। पळोवया शांतादुर्गा बाळ्ळीकान्नीचे गडे।
आता हो 5 दीस तेन्ना हो गडो पळय काडटात। पयलीं एक ट्रायल गड म्हणून काडटात। ट्रायल गड म्हणजे एक ते कशें आसता पळयता हेका लोकां, आनी दुसरो गड आमगेलो गड काडटा एक, आनी तो गडो प्रत्येक वांगडा आसता। तो प्रत्येकाक वर्सा एक वर्सा आसता वांगडा प्रमाणे 7 वांगड आमगेले। तो उत्सव म्हणल्यार गडो म्हणल्यार एक पयलींसान हें न्हू तें पयलींसान हय तुवें विचारो म्हाका कळ्ळें पळय सोडा ते पयलींसान ते ठरावीक आहा ते कितले वर्सां जाली ते आमी काय सांगूंक शकना जाणटेपणान कितलो 500 वर्सां जायत 1000 वर्सां जायत सांगपाक जायना
अशें करून जात्रेचो उत्सव तुमगेलो जाता
हय असो आमचो जात्रेचो उत्सव जाता
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.